Let's see if I can get this knocked out quick. So some amp clamp basics. I have a single battery in this vehicle and alternators running. I've got all the loads on at idle on the negative cable, all the negative cables, and I have negative 3.4 amps over a second. So this is a second. It's set on oscilloscope flash mode, so over a second I have about 3.5 amps. Now, if I move this over here to all the positive cables, and then you can see it flash, it's changing. And again, it's on a 1 second on the flash mode. I've got about the same, about 3.5, 3.4, somewhere in there. You can see it jumps up and down a little bit. So now I'm going to go shut all the loads off. So we shut the loads off. And we're still sitting around 3.6, 3.5. And let's move this again to all the negatives. And we're 3.6, 3.5-ish. I'm going to shut the truck off. Vehicle is off. Headlights are on. So we probably have about 4 amps from those headlights. Actually, we got more than that. So, vehicle off. Again, let's take our clamp off. Make sure we're reasonably close to 0. So, we got a 1 amp bias because we're not quite at 0. So, we're going to clamp over here. And we've got 18.7. So then let's go over here. And we've got clamp shut off. Clamps back on, zeroed. Just so you know I'm not messing with you. We got 18.5. We're going to move it over here. 18.5. So if you have a single power source, this is what you're going to get on a DC circuit every time.